Afternoon everyone. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friend, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss application of analytic function. Now we solve some problem number first. If fz is an analytic function of z, prove that del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 real fz modulus square equal to f dash z modulus square. Now proof. Since fz equal u plus iv, then conjugate of fz u minus iv, then adding we get fz plus fz bar upon 2 therefore u is equal to real fz. Therefore real fz modulus square equal fz plus fz bar upon 2 modulus square. Now left hand side of problem, del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 real fz modulus square. This will be 4 del 2 upon del z bar, value of real fz square fz plus fz bar upon 2 modulus square. Now it is equal 2 square, cancel by this, del 2 upon del z bar, this is the modulus square. We know that z bar equal to z modulus square. Now the modulus square is equal to this and this and complex conjugate of this. Therefore del 2 upon del z bar equal to fz plus fz bar equal to fz plus fz bar whole bar. Since fz bar का डबल बार इज इक्वल टू fz, now del 2 upon del z bar fz plus fz bar whole square. Now differentiation with respect to del z bar, then del upon del z, now 2 into z plus fz bar into f dash z bar. Now differentiation with respect to z, 2 into f dash z plus 0 into f dash z bar dash is equal to 2 fz bar or z dash. This is equal to 2 fz dash modulus square. This is equal to right hand side. Now next problem. If fz is a harmonic function harmonic function of z, then so that del upon del x fz modulus whole square plus del upon del y fz modulus whole square equal to f del z modulus whole square. Now prove this. Since fz equal to u plus ib, now complex conjugate of this u minus ib. Therefore fz modulus this equal to u square plus b square under root. Now differentiation with respect to x, del upon del x fz modulus this is equal to 1 upon 2 u square plus b square whole power minus 1 upon 2 2u del u del x plus 2b del b upon del x. 2 common this, that is del upon del x fz modulus whole square this is equal to u del u upon del x plus b del b upon del x whole square upon f del z modulus square. Since fz modulus square is equal to u square plus b square this is equal to the whole square, the 1 upon 2 is cancelled. Now we consider this is equation number first. Similarly, we can calculate del upon del y f z modulus whole square is equal to u del u upon del x y plus v del v upon del y whole square upon f z modulus square. This is equation number 2. Now equation number first plus equation number second, we get del upon del x fz modulus whole square plus del upon del y fz modulus whole square. Now LCM fz modulus square u del u upon del x plus b del v upon del x whole square plus u del u upon del y plus b del v upon del y whole square. We know that CR equations. Del u upon del x is equal to del v upon del y and del u upon del y equal to minus del v upon del x. Putting the value of del u upon del y is equal to minus del v upon del x and del v upon del y is equal to del u upon del x. Then we get fz modulus whole square is LCM. U del u upon del x plus v del v upon del x whole square as it plus next bracket del u upon del y is equal to minus del v upon del x u del v upon del x plus v del v upon del y del u upon del x whole square. Now fz modulus whole square, the whole square term, this is square plus this is square. Now u square is common, del u upon del x square plus del u upon del v upon del x square plus v square del v upon del x square, v square del v upon del x del u upon del x whole square, v square common, del u upon del x square plus del v upon del x square plus multiplication of this and multiplication of this will be cancelled. Now fz modulus whole square, this term is common, del u upon del x plus whole square plus del v upon del x whole square. Now u square plus v square. The value of u square plus v square fz modulus square. Now del u upon del x square plus del v upon del x square, this is equal to fz modulus square. Now fz modulus square, this cancel by this. We know that dw upon dz dw upon dz equal to f dash z equal to del w upon del x. This is equal to del u upon del x plus I del v upon del x. Since f dash z modulus square, this is equal to del u upon del x square plus del v upon del x square. Now f dash z modulus square, this is equal to right hand side. This is the complete solution. Now next problem is problem third. If fz equal to u plus iv is analytic function, of z in any domain, then prove that number first del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 fz modulus whole power p, this is equal to p square fz modulus whole power p minus 2 into f dash z modulus whole square. Second part, del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 u modulus is whole power p is equal to p minus 1 u to the power p minus 2 f dash z modulus square. Both are important question. Now prove first part number first, left hand side, this is equal to del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 fz modulus whole power p. Now del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 equal to 4 del 2 upon del z bar. It is well known quantity. Now putting the value of this 4 del 2 upon del z bar fz modulus whole power p. Now 4 del 2 upon del z bar fz modulus square into p by 2. Now we can say p multiplied and p divided. Now this value convert into, this is same fz bar multiplication whole power p by 2. Now we can say 4 del 2 upon del z bar fz whole power p by 2 fz bar whole power p by 2. Now differentiation with respect to z bar, then it is same. Now differentiate of this del upon del z fz whole power p by 2 is as it, and differentiate of this p by 2 fz bar whole power p by 2 minus 1 into f dash z bar. 2 cancel by 4. Now 2. Now differentiate with respect to z. Then p by 2 fz whole power p by 2 minus 1 into f dash z. Now fz bar whole power p by 2 minus 1 f dash z bar. Now 2 by cancel this. Then now this is a p already, that is p square. Now this and this combined, and this is combined, fz into fz bar whole power p by 2 minus 1 and f dash z into f dash bar dash is combined. Now p square. Now this is fz modulus square whole power p by 2 minus 1. Now f dash z modulus square. Now p square fz whole power p cancel by this and p multiplied 1. Now we get modulus whole power p minus 2. Now f dash z modulus square. Now this is equal to right hand side. Now second part is fz equal to u plus ib. fz bar equal u minus ib. Now combine the both, then we get real part u is equal to fz plus fz bar by 2. Now u to the modulus power whole power p fz plus fz bar upon 2 whole power p. Now left hand side, del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 u modulus power p. This is equal to, now again del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 is equal to 4 del 2 z upon del z bar 4 del 2 upon del z bar. Now u modulus power p, this is equal to this fz plus fz bar by 2 whole power modulus power p. Now 2 to the power 2 or 2 to the power p. Now what we can write, 2 to the power p minus 2 del 2 upon del z bar. Now it can be written as fz plus fz bar modulus square p by 2. Now 2 divide and 2 multiplied. Now we can write 1 upon 2 to the power p minus 2 del upon del z bar fz plus fz bar multiplied fz plus fz bar whole power p by 2. Now next step, that is 1 upon 2 to the power p minus 2 del 2 upon del z bar. इधर से बने आ रही है इस पे fz plus fz bar plus fz bar whole power p by 2. 1 upon 2 to the power p minus 2 del 2 upon del z bar fz plus fz bar whole power p by 2. Now 1 upon 2 to the power p minus 2 del 2 upon del z bar fz plus fz bar whole square into p by 2. Now 2 cancel by 2. 1 upon 2 to the power p minus 2. Now differentiate with respect to z bar. Del upon del z. Now p fz plus fz bar whole power p minus 2 p by 2 minus 1 into fz bar dash p upon p minus 2. Now differentiate with respect to z. तो p by 2 minus 1 into fz plus fz bar whole power p by 2 minus 2 into fz dash or fz bar dash. Now taking the LCM, p minus 2 upon 2, sorry, p minus sorry now this is the power of p. Now differentiate with respect to z bar. P fz plus fz bar whole power p minus 1, not p by 2. Now this is correct. Now differentiate again with respect to z. So p minus 1, not p by 2. P minus 1 fz plus fz bar p minus 2. P minus 1 p minus 2. Now f dash z bar, this is correct statement. Now p minus 1 2 p minus 2. Now fz plus fz bar whole power p minus 2. Now f dash z modulus square. Now p minus 1. Now fz plus fz bar upon 2 whole power p minus 2. Now to combine this, now f dash z modulus square, this is the value of u. Now p minus 1 u whole power p minus 2 f dash z modulus square, this is equal to right hand side. This is complete. Now next problem. If fz is a regular function, fz is a regular, that is analytic, regular function of z, then prove that del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 log f dash z modulus, this is equal to 0. Proof. Now since we know that del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 is equal to 4 del 2 upon del z bar. Now left hand side, del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 log fz dash modulus. Now this is value of this 4 del 2 upon del z bar log fz dash modulus. Now 2 del 2 upon del z bar log fz dash modulus square. Now 2 del 2 upon del z bar log fz dash into f dash z bar. Now log m into n, this is equal to log m plus log n. Now to del 2 upon del z bar log f dash z plus log f dash z bar. Now differentiate with respect to z bar. Now this value will be 0 plus 1 upon f dash z bar into f double dash z bar. Double dash z bar. Now differentiate with respect to z. This is not function of z. This is the function of z bar. Now it will be 0. Now this is equal to right hand side. Now this is a complete solution.